In today's video, we are going to talk about badge swaps on an Evolution Kart D5. I get a lot of questions about how to switch the badge and what is going on underneath, how to swap it out for something different. So let's cover it. So if you decide the Evolution Kart logo is not for you, don't try to just pry it off the front of your kart. It is not press fit in. It has on the back of it 2 tabs with bolts on them, and you'll need to undo these bolts from the underside and then pull the logo off. So because it has bolts and it's bolted on, there will be 2 holes left in your hood. So whatever logo you choose, if it's a new stick-on logo or a stick-on emblem, you'll want to make sure that it is big enough to cover the holes that are left by removing your factory emblem. Now, when you climb under there to remove these bolts, it is a weird size. It is 9/32 is the bolt size that you're going to be after. This is the only wrench that I could find that actually fit on reasonably. So it's a 9/32. Something like this, like a little ratchet wrench, is helpful to kind of get on there and undo it. So how do you get at it? I found the easiest way is literally to just go down underneath the front and up with my hand in under this underside to grab the bolts and undo those 2 bolts, and it'll pop right off. Okay, so after you use your wrench to pull it off, what you're going to realize is that the hole in your front dash of your kart is about 3 inches across. So any logo or emblem that you order, you're gonna want a 3-inch coverage to be able to cover those holes. So if you go on Amazon and you type in like car emblem or anything like that, look for something that has at least 3 inches of coverage so that it will cover those holes. So I'll give you a link to some of the ones that I ordered, but they're rather inexpensive. You can customize whether you want your country or your favorite car brand or whatever you might order. Just go for a stick-on emblem. So this is just has 3M adhesive on one side, and it has at least 3 inches of coverage. And that'll make sure you're covering those holes that are left by your factory Evolution logo. You take that logo, you stick it on over top of the holes, and you're done.